What are some of the jobs that are going to get automated away? One, the most mundane, repetitive, simple tasks like the bank teller job. But then two, as it relates to this conversation, some of the most dangerous jobs, right? You don't want to risk your human life to go do something that, we could potentially use technology or robotics to help solve. Yeah, I mean, maybe with that lens on, how do you think the safety space is going to change as we see more technology go into the safety space?
The addition of complex technologies does pose a little bit of a risk, and there's a vulnerability that comes along with that because the awareness and the almost instinct around is safety and maintainability isn't there, even if you read, the OEM recommendations or whatever it is. So what I see happening is the ability to now have technology almost create redundant safety where the technology can tell you what your risk is, what the degree of exposure is for your people that will ultimately have to maintain equipment. At the end of the day, like you said, they're not going to maintain themselves, but we can utilize sensors and IoT to now have, heat maps and awareness on what that risk is based on the time of day, whatever process is happening within the plant, decrease our vulnerability and hopefully save lives and make sure that our people go home safe. It's always been astounding to me that this statistic of 10 times more workers die each year than first responders in the maintenance space, in the industrial space. That's not okay. I mean, that's something that shouldn't be happening. And I do see that pray that there'll be a reduction in that or eliminate it altogether once we have technologies that can really help us understand, prepare, and mitigate risk.